These 3 ways that we'll be talking about in a minute are by far the best and legit ways to make big money online. People have earned millions of dollars in this space by just learning these high-paid skills. And if you want to be one among them, then make sure to watch the video till the end, as it'll be sharing with you the best and the easiest way to help you earn your first dollar online. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I personally make money online, then make sure to check out the first link in the description box. Let's get started. 3. Become a freelancer. Freelancers are individuals who work for themselves rather than an employer. They typically work on a contract basis, which means that they are hired to do a specific task, and then they move on to the next project. There are many benefits of freelancing. For example, freelancers can set their own hours and choose what projects they want to take on. They have more freedom and flexibility in their work. Freelancers also have the opportunity to build up their skills by taking on different types of projects and gaining experience in different fields. Freelancing is a great way to make money and be your own boss. It can also be a great way to build your resume if you are new to the workforce. If you're considering becoming a freelancer, this video will show you what you need to get started. In this video, we'll discuss the first steps that are needed in order to become a freelance writer. 1. Keywords for your business. 2. Write an article about the story that you just told. 3. Prepare a list of your interests and how to find freelance work in these areas. 4. Start with a post on Reddit's freelance section and see if anyone responds. 5. Use sites like Upwork and Fiverr to find employers who are looking to hire. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you in any way. What are the benefits of being a freelancer? Freelancing is a way of working where you are self-employed and are hired by different companies or clients to work on a contract basis. There are many benefits of being a freelancer, but in this article, we will be exploring the following. 1. Flexibility. 2. Independence. 3. Opportunities for growth and learning. 4. No commute. Why you should become a freelancer 2022? This is a great question, and one that we get asked all the time. And honestly, it's not an easy question to answer. You can look at it from 2 different perspectives. 1. The practical side of things. Becoming a freelance writer can be a rewarding career choice for someone who wants to work from home and set their own hours. As a freelance writer, your income is entirely dependent on how much you work, and you're only working for yourself, so there's no one to tell you what to do or how much to work. This also means that if you're looking for something more steady with benefits like healthcare, then this might not be the best option for you. 2. The creative side of things. Being a freelance writer gives you the opportunity to explore new ideas, grow as a writer, and work on projects that you're passionate about. You don't have to answer to anyone in charge and can take your time exploring different topics of interest. This depends on what you want out of life. The freelance life is an exciting yet challenging one. It takes a lot of time, patience, and dedication to be successful as a freelancer. Here are some tips on how you can become successful as a freelance writer. Research your market and know what your competitors are doing. Build up your portfolio with well-written content that showcases your skills. Network with other freelancers to find new opportunities for collaboration. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any queries, concerns, or suggestions. Let's get back to the video. 2. Become a content creator. A content creator has to come up with interesting and engaging topics for their audience. They have to research those topics, plan them out, and then create the content that will be published on the site. Content creators can be journalists, bloggers, or even video producers. They are the people who write articles and create videos for a website. The skills that are essential for becoming a successful content creator. 1. SEO. You must make your content appealing to search engines in today's marketing square. Hone your writing abilities helps, certainly, but also use SEO tools to help you get the most out of material. Web content writers should be well-versed in the fundamentals of SEO and apply them to their work. And it isn't a skill just for copywriters. Properly curated video SEOs and imagery optimizations help content rank higher than it would otherwise. Another great approach in learning how an audience is talking about a topic is to conduct keyword research, which will also assist in identifying fresh content options that you may not have explored otherwise. 2. Research. Good content curation entails distilling a large amount of information and data into the most useful and relevant presentation for the reader, and research provides you with the authority to talk about topics in a relevant and industry-specific manner. It also helps you develop stronger and more fluid writing abilities by giving you confidence and clarity. Change happens quickly in just about any business, so research, including tirelessly reading other people's work, will help you stay up to date. The greatest content developers are inquisitive and restlessly seek out topics that their target audience is likely to be interested in. 3. Consistency. The more material you provide, the more visitors your website will receive. If you want to be the best publisher in your field, you must make a commitment to push out content that readers are interested in regularly. It isn't something you do simply when you have free time. It isn't a hobby. Treat it like work. In order to achieve visibility, digital content production needs dedication and consistency. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. So publish. 4. Learn about your audience. If you dig deep enough into an audience's interests and patterns, you'll discover new ideas that you might not have happened across otherwise. Basic demographic data like age, interests, education, location, and purchasing patterns may go a long way in helping curate the kind of ideation you need. Understanding a consumer is your first obligation as a content creator. So, while brainstorming new concepts, consider what they would find entertaining, intriguing, or useful. Then consider how those ideas can fit into content strategy. Best platform where you can start your content creator journey is with YouTube. Do you have what it takes to be a content creator on YouTube? And if your answer is yes, and if you want to get started, then make sure to check out the first link in the description box. This will help you get ahead of your competition and reach your goals faster. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. 1. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a marketing approach where an affiliate earns a commission by selling other people's products. The main idea behind affiliate marketing is that the affiliate will sell someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale they make. The affiliate marketer doesn't need to have their own product or inventory, but instead has to promote someone else's product. Affiliate marketing is a great way for you to start your own business and make money from the comfort of your own home. It's not as hard as it sounds, and there are plenty of resources available to help you out. In this video, we're going to go over some of the most important things you'll need to know about affiliate marketing so that you can get started on the right foot. Step 1. Choose your niche and keyword S for the product category you want to promote. The first step in the process of making money with affiliate marketing is to choose a niche and keyword S for the product category you want to promote. It is important that you do your research before deciding on what niche and keywords to use. You should find out how much competition there is in your niche and try to find a keyword that has less competition. Step 2. Start a blog or website with content related to your chosen niche. Setting up a website is not as difficult as it seems. There are many tutorials and guides available to help you out. You can start with a free blog on WordPress, Wix, or Blogger for starters. If you want to make your website more professional, you can hire a web designer to help you get started. Step 3. Select a platform or social media network to promote your site and product listings. In order to promote your website and product listings, you should use social media advertising. Facebook Ads tutorial is a good place to start. Facebook is the most popular social media platform with more than 2 billion monthly active users. This means that the potential audience for your site and product listings is huge. Step 4. Hire a person to run your ads and create professional product descriptions for you. Hiring a person to run your ads and create professional product descriptions for you is an important step in the process. It will help you get more conversions and sales. It is a good idea to hire someone who has experience with running ads on Facebook. They will be able to use their skills and expertise to get the best results for your business. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, then smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.